Before installing the high-pressure pump, check that the engine is standing at around 80 degrees before TDC, so there is no load on the high-pressure pump. When inserting the valve lifter, ensure that the guide pin on the valve lifter fits in the groove in the cylinder head. Ensure that the valve lifter does not fall out again. Insert the high-pressure pump with a new gasket. Tighten the two fastening bolts evenly. Until the pump presses against the spring force. Then tighten alternately by approximately half a turn at a time to prevent stresses in the pump. Tighten the two bolts to the torque specified in the service literature. Fit the rubber sound insulation at the high-pressure pump. Remove the sealing plugs from the connections. Install the high-pressure fuel line. And screw to the high-pressure pump and to the fuel rail. Screw the high-pressure fuel line to the bracket. Tighten the nuts to the torque specified in the service literature. Push the fuel supply line onto the high-pressure pump and lock. Refit the charge air pipe. From below, connect the wiring harness plug to the high-pressure pump. Push the charge air pipe onto the radiator and lock. Reattach the wheel well paneling and refit the wheel. Mount the front paneling. From above, push the charge air pipe onto the throttle valve, lock and clip in the coolant return line. Connect the battery earth cable. With the engine running, carry out a final visual inspection of the system for escaping fuel. Caution: observe and follow all safety precautions.